The Easter lilies are coming. The Easter lilies are coming. Probably pretty soon, too. Yeah, I have to show off my Easter lilies a little bit. Let me raise that camera a little bit. While I do my vlog today from out here by the flowers, doing a little Easter lily update, and a bean update, a medical update, and a little bit of a vlog. Where to start? How come when I go to video you have to race through the loud motors? Traffic got heavier here in the last couple of years. Where do I want to start? Computering. Got my new computer, been working on getting that installed, getting everything working. Had to redo just about everything. I'm getting there, slowly but surely. A couple weeks ago I told you that I was having an ultrasound done on my legs. It turns out my right leg, I have a blocked superficial femoral artery. And they made an appointment with a vascular surgeon to see if they need to put a stent or something down in there. That's a vein down the middle of your leg somewhere. And that's why my legs have been cramping up when I stand on my feet or walk too much. And I guess the doctor will decide maybe he can put me on medication or whether I need a stent or whatever to improve it. But I knew I had to get something done about it. So I'll keep you updated on that. I've been taking care of my garden and stuff. I was there yesterday to pick some beans. And I picked 4 beans. Here's what they look like. They just ain't quite filled out yet. Plenty on the vines, and the Japanese beetles are eating my vines up, but I'm making some pretty green beans. So I didn't pick any more yesterday. I went out there today, and it has rained all day, and they could use a little bit more filling out. I want more bean for my money. I don't want them grow a little bit. I don't want them to get tough on me. You got to do these green beans when they're still snappable. They get rubbery. Let's see if you can hear this. See, they're still crisp. They snap pretty good. You can cook them like this, but I only had 2 or 3 that were ready. So I'll get out there in the next day or 2 and pick my beans. We'll do a video or a vlog on that. I'll do a little bean update. I'm going to show you my Easter lilies here in a day or 2. What else did I want to talk about? There was something. I've been on the phone all day with AT&T and Dell. We went to Best Buy to get a new modem. I had to send the modem that Dell sent me back. They sent me a cable modem. Well, out here in the country where I live, the modem router combined, the phone line comes into the top of the router, and all your Ethernet ports are up and down the back of that router to hook up your Ethernet with. Well, the problem was when I got to Best Buy, all they had was cable modems too. The one that Dell sent me, I couldn't use it. It just got the kind that's fitting like you screw on the back of your TV or regular coax connector. They don't even make these modems anymore with a snap-in phone wire. If you got a modem with an older style with a snap-in phone wire, good luck finding a modem or a router. Plenty of used ones for sale on eBay. I don't want nothing used. Anyway, I called, was on the phone all day with AT&T. Got transferred to the DSL department, the dial-up department. And it just kept telling me it wasn't my account number. That ain't my account number. I had forgotten that my computer's on a separate phone line. I had 2 different phone lines in the house. And that's why he couldn't find me. They transferred me to technical support 2 or 3 times. So I wind up finally ordering a new modem and DSL. I'm tired of rebooting that old one to get it to work. I'm just sick and tired of rebooting it. So the new one, they said just plug all the wires back up to it like the old one, and then go on a web browser, and that new router to automatically start questioning me or it'll connect me with technical support, and I'll go through the steps with them to get it online and working. I don't recommend AT&T's internet one little bit, but I stood in line at the AT&T store. That was a laugh and a half. You knock on the door to go in. You can't come in. We have a customer in here right now. There's 2 ahead of you. People out here sitting in their cars. This is a big shopping mall. She was the only girl working there. She had to lock everybody out. I stood out there 15, 20 minutes. Finally got in. Had to wait in there 15 to 20 minutes. Only to be told, we don't sell them here. Well, the reason I went over there in the first place was Best Buy told me that the only place I can get them was from AT&T. They've all got their little racket to hook you like a fish and reel you in. You're going to stay with them whether they like it or not. If I ever get the opportunity to switch to cable, any other kind of internet out here in the country, AT&T will say they've seen the last of my old butt. Anyway, that's the extent of my vlog today. Walter's been pretty frustrated today, but we got our bean report completed. I bet they'd be good in a salad. Chop them up and just munch away. Be good fried. Y'all can send me some good green bean recipes, because we're going to be picking and cooking, and canning and jarring. Oh yeah, I just remembered what it was I wanted to talk about. I mentioned to you yesterday I was out there checking my green beans. Took my step ladder out there and climbed up on the ladder and checked all in them vines. They're way too thick, by the way. I planted too many together out there. Next year we'll have more than one bean tree and less beans at each tree. But anyway, I'm up on that ladder and I see these 2 Japanese beetles on a leaf. Oh, the Japanese beetles are getting me again. I reached to knock them off. Caught one of them and squished him, and the other one fell, and I thought he went to the ground. I looked on my shirt. I don't see him nowhere. But he must have been on my back. I came down. 2 hours later, I'm in the living room, sitting with my feet up on the easy chair, watching the TV. And something went to crawling on my neck. I get the heebie-jeebies if something gets on me. And I quick grabbed it and looked, and it was that stupid Japanese beetle. He'd been on me for 2 hours. Where he was, on my hair, on the back of my shirt, I don't know where he was. But that gave me the anyway, that's what I wanted to talk about. This Pwalpar VLOG, y'all have a good day. And I hope you had a less frustrating day than I did. Y'all take care.